Hello everybody, Archie is here, and today we're gonna install M.2 memory or M.2 memory that my buddy Commy sent it to me. Thanks so much, Commy. And we're gonna install it in my Asus ROG H370F. So we're gonna see it my first time installing M.2, so hopefully it works and we'll see how it goes. So basically, first step I did, I removed my GPU right here. I removed that so it wasn't this slot right here, and my M.2 slot is right there. I looked it up the manual, so I untied screws a little bit here, so we'll just take that off. Okay, so yeah, I'm just unscrewing this one right here. I think this is done. I think this is done too. Now we're gonna try to take this. Okay. So yes, this one is. Oh, here we go. Just a small little bolt. Okay, so this is a heat sink as far as I know. It just comes out here. Don't want to lose this little bolt here. Here, as you can see, here is my M.2 slot, just right there. So here's me unpacking the M.2. Look at this, just a little tiny memory, and it's so fast, and it's a 1 terabyte. Wow, technology. So here's the slot. It comes with the main installation guide, which I probably need to take a look at it. So here's how to install M.2 SSD with a heatsink. So basically points, then first step, second step, and then yep. Okay, and then just on the angle and put it in and then just screw it in. Yeah, so apparently it just goes right here, and then this is supposed to be a bolt that you screwed in down. Okay, so I just actually watched the video because I wasn't sure if you had to take the little tape off this one, but you don't. And so since I have this heat sink, you have here like this little thing, so you have to take the tape off and then put on top. So this is what we're gonna do. So my next step, so there's a little pins like this and a little small pin right here, you can see it. So this is only gonna go one direction, just like this, and just a little on the angle. So we're gonna try to put it in. Yeah, it just goes like this. Boom, nice and snug. And then if you put this one down, it should be like this, clearing the little bolt sticking out. It should clear that one and it perfectly be there. If you press it down, right? So then you put it on top, you put the heat sink on top of it and screw it down. So this is what we're gonna do. Ooh, almost lost my little bolt there. Yeah, so we're gonna remove this one right now. Okay, first I want to try and measure it to see if it's fit perfectly. So just like this, and it should sit just on top of it. Yep. There we go. Okay, so almost lost my camera here. Okay, so now I'm gonna peel off this label right here. Oh, not label, I mean the stickers thing, because it's like a double-sided tape here. So yeah, I'm gonna peeled it off already, and now we're gonna just attach this one on top. Just make sure it's nice and snug there. There we go. Now with that little taper on the bottom, it's a little tricky because it's trying to run it. There we go. Now I'm gonna have a giant screwdriver. Let's see if we have proper tools. Move the camera a bit. Okay, so one is, so I didn't tie too much, I just tied a little bit. This is so tiny. Okay. I got a little bit of time to take it off the CPU cooler. It's gonna be a little time consuming task. Okay, this is nice and fresh. Just make it nice and tight here. There we go, real tight. Don't wanna twist it, so you don't want to tie too much. And yeah guys, now it's this heat sink is back on. So now we're gonna fire up PC and see if it all works. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. Everybody who assembled PC knows the first boot, that's the most important. So we'll see if I connected everything right, and we'll see if it starts up. And here's the moment of truth. Lights on, the red light indicator is on. Uh-oh, I have some green light right there, which I think not supposed to be. Oh, went away. Oh, I forgot to go to the BIOS. So we'll see what's up. And I think we're good. Yep. Alright guys, see if you can see, it doesn't show in C, it doesn't show this drive anymore, so I forgot to turn on the BIOS. So we're gonna restart, and we're gonna go to the BIOS, and we're gonna enable M.2 slot. Going to BIOS right now. Okay, so we're now in BIOS, and I think it's advanced. So I went to BIOS, but I did find it was showing me that drive there. Actually, I forgot to record that. And then I went to the disk management, which just goes by right click here in the menu, and then disk management. And then right away it says you must initialize the disk before locally can be accessed, right? And use the following portrait style. GPT version is not recognized by all the previous versions of Windows. Master boot record. Yeah, I guess I'll click this OK. Let me look it up. So look it up, looks like MBR is the way to go, so I'll just go with MBR, because it's one article says if your disk is less than 2 terabyte, use this one, so I'll just use this one. And it says unallocated. Then right click new simple volume, next, I want to be Z, next NFT, next, boom, new volume has been created, and now it shows as a new volume, this local disk. Again, so it says new volume Z. And if you go to properties, it's going to show free space 931. And now we're going to install Samsung tool that allows me to copy from local disk C on my system to new M.2. So here's on Samsung website, I'm downloading Magician and data migration software installer. Here we go, so tool is installed. Now we're gonna launch it, Magician. Ooh. Okay, so right away it gives me the option. A new version of Magician is available. Software update, so might as well update that first. Because you know, we wanna have freshest version of it. This current version is 7.1, and here's a 7.3. Okay, so now it says duplicates OS and data store and original storage device to a new Samsung SSD. Note, never disconnect the drive while cloning the process. So select the drive. So source drive is my Kingston, which is my Windows is there. Okay. Yeah, I have only 20 GB left. Huh. And target. All I see, it just only gives you Evo plus 1 terabyte. Okay, yeah, so I should have quite a bit of memory. And let the process begin. Your computer will be shut down after the migration for 20 seconds. When cloning starts, all data on target drive will be deleted and cannot be recovered. Also, files on source drive that are open cannot be cloned. Please close all running files before cloning. Do you want to continue? Oh, I guess I'll close the Chrome. Cancel. Guess I'll close the Chrome. Yeah, so you see, technically it's only off for you to choose, because I have two drives, C and my gaming one where I download all the games and stuff. So it doesn't let you see, it dedicates automatically, detects automatically where your system is, and it only allows you to choose here, right? So let's just go ahead, and let's the magic numbers begin. So it's gonna be cloning 420 GB. Holy moly, it's probably gonna take a while, so we'll see. Okay guys, so the only one option I choose after selecting my BIOS is the boot option priorities in the boot tab right here. So it was originally set as the boot number 1 was in my SSD Kingston, and this one was in my Samsung one, a second one. So basically what so by mistake I pressed something here, boot overdrive or something. Yeah, so basically I disabled option 2 and I just enabled option 1, my new drive, and that's it. That's what I did in the BIOS. So that's all guys. So basically installation was pretty straightforward. So just find a slot, put it in, screw it in the M.2, then go in a Samsung, if it's a Samsung, go to Samsung website, download the Wizard or the Magician, then do the copying, and then go in the boot options, just select that one as the main boot option, or the option 1 or priority of booting, and that's gonna be working. And then you can just delete your previous disk C, and here we go. You have extra space and you have a speed. Thank you much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you much for your time. Peace.